This short video is going to demonstrate just the basic skills needed to create a poster in Adobe Spark. When you go through the AISD portal and open up Spark, it will take you to the default page. When the home opens up, I can get started quickly by clicking the purple plus button at the top, selecting Custom Size Graphic, and here I can go to Popular and choose Square or Poster just to get started quickly, and then click the Next button. So when this opens up, I will see that it's usually going to suggest some templates. Here in the white area is my poster, and I can see that I can zoom in and zoom out of my poster. The gray area is like the outside margins. The tools that I have along the left side are my creation tools for text, photo, and icons and more. And on the right side, sometimes I might want to change colors or the design features there. The very first thing that I'm going to do, though, is I'm going to go to the top where it says Projects and My Post. That's the default name, always for a brand new poster. So I'm going to click up there and I'm going to name this one. I'm doing a stream table poster, and so I'm going to name my project Stream Table. And perhaps right now I know that what we did in class is we took a picture of a stream table. So I'm going to use the Photos tool, and I'm going to upload the photo that we took in class today. And it's on my Chromebook right now. So I've located the file on my computer, and I'm going to click Open. And what it's going to do is upload into this Spark poster, and it's going to put my picture in the middle of the page. I can close this little Photos menu now. And this is my picture. Clicking once on it gives me the 4 handles. The handles on the corners allow me to resize my picture. By clicking in the middle, I can move my picture around the page. The other 2 symbols you see, this one is the little 4 arrow symbol, lets me also move it. Sometimes the items on the page are really small, and so that little handle is nice to have. And then this one is the rotation tool. And that allows me to rotate whatever the object is. So I've got my picture, and now for my teacher, I need to be able to give some context to this picture using text. So I'm going to click the text button, and perhaps I'm going to create text in the middle of the top here. This is going to be my title, My Stream Table. Now, I've typed it over on the right side. All of my text editing is on the right side. I see what it looks like on the page. So I have 2 different kinds of handles now. The corner handles, the little circles, if I click on those, they resize the text, they resize that box, and the text size collapses with the box. So if I make it really small and then click on these sides, the side handle allows me to enlarge the length of that box. So now I can change how wide the text box is, or I can change the size of the text in that box. I can drag it to the middle, and the little dotted lines will suggest that is the center of the page. Now I need to go ahead and create some text for my vocabulary words. So perhaps one of the words that I needed to show was source. The source of the erosion on this stream table. I'm going to drag where I want that word to go. And now I might want to make this a different color, a different size, and this edit text gives me color so that I can change the color. I can change the size here if I want, or the alignment. There are other tools in here that I will want to use after I have finished placing all of my words on my poster. So there's the source. And I want one more word for now. We're going to type the word deposition. And deposition I'm going to put down here at the bottom, and I'm going to make it a little bit smaller again. So the tools that I keep using are the handles, the text tool, and editing it over here. I can close those boxes and see my poster as it is right now. Another tool that I might want is to show where the source is on this poster. So if I come over to the icons and I search for arrows, then I might want to use this little picture right here. If I click on that arrow, I will see my arrow here. Again, if I click once on it, I get my editing tools over here. Maybe I want to choose that blue that I chose before. Click out of that box. The other tool that I have is I want to go from source down to here. So I have the flipping tools. So if I flip it horizontally, vertically, and then use my little rotation tool, use the corner tool to make it smaller, pretty soon I have an arrow that shows where the source is, and I can label that section source. I can come back over to my Find Icons, select that arrow one more time. Yikes, I only wanted one of them. Let me see. I don't want this arrow. I can come over here and hit the delete or the trash can. But this is the arrow I do want. I'm going to pull that down, rotate it around, stick it on there, and reduce the size. So you can see that it's not difficult to manage the work within a Spark poster. I have some creation tools here that will put things on the page, and on the right side I have tools that will change what those are by color, size, or whatever. At this point, I've created my poster. I could continue to change it, but now I would focus on turning this into my teacher. Anytime that I leave Spark, my poster is still in my recent projects down here at the bottom. So here's a project. If I want to open it back up, I can simply click on it one time, and Adobe Spark will open up my poster that I've already started.